Ever wondered why it's crucial for kids to eat healthily? The answer lies in three key areas: growth, cognitive development, and overall well-being. In a child's life, the importance of a balanced diet cannot be overstated. They are in a phase of rapid growth and development, and the food they consume plays a pivotal role in fueling these processes. Adequate nutrition helps to build strong bones and muscles, support brain development, and ward off illnesses. Now let's debunk some myths. Kids don't need to live on a diet of chicken nuggets and mac and cheese. In fact, they need a variety of foods to get the nutrients they need. And yes, they can develop a taste for fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Parents play an essential role in shaping their children's eating habits. Setting a good example and encouraging a love for wholesome foods can make a world of difference. Knowing about the importance of healthy eating is the first step. The next step is understanding how to plan a balanced meal for kids. Before we dive into meal planning, how about a quick quiz to test your knowledge about kids' nutrition? Here we go. Question 1. What's the recommended daily intake of fruits for a 5-year-old? Is it A, 1 cup, B, 2 cups, or C, 3 cups? Moving on, question 2. How many servings of vegetables should a 7-year-old have each day? Are we looking at A, 1 to 2 servings, B, 2 to 3 servings, or C, 3 to 4 servings? Let's keep the ball rolling with question 3. What's the ideal balance of proteins, carbs, and fats in a child's daily diet? Is it A, 40% carbs, 30% proteins, and 30% fats? B, 50% carbs, 25% proteins, and 25% fats, or C, 60% carbs, 20% proteins, and 20% fats? Whether you aced the quiz or learned something new, remember that every step towards understanding kids' nutrition is a step towards healthier kids. Now let's discuss how to create a balanced meal plan for kids. Meal planning is not just about filling up their plates, it's about creating a balance of nutrients that can fuel their growth and development. The key to this balance is variety. Make sure you're incorporating a range of different foods into your child's meals. This not only introduces them to an array of flavors and textures, but also ensures they're getting a mix of all the essential nutrients. From proteins that build their muscles, to carbohydrates that provide energy, and vitamins that boost their immune system. Every nutrient has a unique role. And don't forget about fiber, which aids digestion and keeps them feeling full. To make meals more enticing, try and make them colorful and visually appealing. Use fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to create a rainbow on their plate. After all, we eat with our eyes first. But wait, there's more to meal planning than just the basics. Let's continue with more tips on meal planning for kids. Remember, planning meals shouldn't feel like a chore, but rather a fun and engaging activity. Involving your little ones in the process can make it an enjoyable learning experience. Consider their preferences while planning, but also introduce them gently to new, nutritious foods. Make meals interactive and fun. For instance, you could create a rainbow plate with fruits and veggies of different colors, or cut sandwiches into fun shapes. Teaching kids about the importance of nutrition can also help them understand why they're eating what they're eating. You could turn this into a playful game, associating different foods with the benefits they offer. Lastly, it's crucial to maintain consistency and regularity. Kids thrive on routines, and having scheduled meal times can help instill healthy eating habits from a young age. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is not just what you eat, but also how and when you eat it. Happy meal planning!